This is how it's sad. Check in with me and do that. Oh, wait a second, freak. I know you're from the street. My nigga, she said a little neat. I said, I caught a little red, the one who slops in head and dates the niggas nuts and chokes you well and fed. Straight to the boat. That's to the hood. Running from the rehab, never got caught. Suck a nigga dick. Suck a nigga dick. Suck a nigga dick. Suck a dick. Nigga D magic. Said he had to have it. I said, forget it. It's too crabby. No little freak in Hollywood. Suck on dick.
You just sang it.
You're money. She'll love your tummy. House full of kids. Parents all scummy. No slot of bat. Backyard crown. Hit it from the back. Enjoy the sound. Late undercover. My Uzi's a rubber. Till I got caught fucking with your mother. She bent on me. We fucked in the street. So she pulled out a knife. So I hastily called up the boys. Went to your house. Cut the whole place. Threw the bitch out. Wait.
Threw the bitch out?
No.
Jenny, what happened after you threw the bitch out? Break the continuity.
Fought in the street. She pulled out a knife. So I had to flee. Called up the boys. Went to a house. Tried the whole place. Threw the bitch out. Police busted in. Where the niggas at? We left just in time and never kicked back.
Suck a nigga dick itself. Suck a nigga dick itself. Oh, I forgot one.
Suck a nigga dick. I'm a nigga. Oh, I already sang that.
And cut tape. Come on, that's it. It's dead.